Welcome to the U2Dit YouTube channel. I'm your host Ernst Bar, and check out also our U2Dit website and weekly Super Thursday sessions. In this 3-minute video I will talk about libraries. So what are libraries and where can you find them and how can it benefit in your design workflow? So first of all, you've got dgen libraries. Dgen libraries are part of the workspace in OpenWorld Designer and are important for three things, basically. These are the layers, the element templates, and the feature definitions. So where can you find the CAD layers? So first of all, here you got the level manager. Here you find all the layers. Normally they are stored in the library and attached to your application. So like in OpenWords, it's called the feature definition slash or underscore element underscore levels, which you can check out by yourself. Um, so once you open this one, you can also check the element templates. Here you find all the element templates inside of this file. Also, you see here the feature annotation levels element template library, which I'm talking about. So check this one out. And here you find all the descriptions of the element template, and it's pointing to the CAD layer. So that's important. And then the last one, so when you go back to the Explorer, you will find the standards. And the standards, when I drill down, like to feature symbology, let me go to like this one. When you check the properties, where does it point to, do you think? Yes, that's correct. It's pointing back to a element template. So the feature definition is looking for the element template. So when you set this up right, you will generate directly a correct plan drawing and a 3D model at the same time. And that's also what I want to show you right now. But before we do that, there are two other libraries which I want to highlight. That's first of all the corridor library, or the template library. So you can find it on the corridors. Really important for your road bridge design or rail. So set this one up right. So here, for instance, in the Middle East workspace, you find 2 lane up to 6 lanes, road lanes. So that's really helpful. And the last library, which is important, I think, is the utilities library. So in the utilities, you can all lay out the wet utilities and the dry utilities according to your standards. Important one is that you get always the planned graphical element and a 3D model at the same time. So to submit your drawings, the plan drawing should look like uh, according to the standards, right? So that's why we have this library files, dgen libraries, which are really important. So let me show you a little example. I've got here a design. Looks like on the 2D, I've got on the left, you've got the 2D. So you can drag the template. It's basically a corridor. It's processing. On the right side, you see the 3D model. It will update now the 2D plan and the 3D model at the same time. So that's what you see right here. Really nice. It has the 3D line styles here and also in the 2D. So you've got directly your 2D plan drawing ready. You can include more details if you want, but that you have to do in the template library. So here, for instance, the exit. So what you can do from a plan drawings perspective, you can turn off like let me turn these ones off. I think this is okay. So now it looks much better, isn't it? So in the 2D and the 3D. On the right side in the 3D model, so it looks like this. So you can include the guardrails inside of your template library. So whatever you're going to change, it will change in both models. So the 2D and the 3D. So let me show you the utilities. So what I meant by the 2D and 3D layout. So let me turn it also on in the 3D. I've got here the 3D utilities. So I think it's really nice. So you've got the plan layout. Do you see? Like this, what is it? Manhole is showing only as a circle. it's showing directly the plan annotations, but in the 3D, it looked like this. You got also the street lights here, but shown here, where is it? Um, I don't see it right here in the plan. Maybe I didn't turn it on. Street light, it should be there. Anyway, so you've got the plan elements and the 3D models at the same time, which are important for your plan drawing production and the 3D modeling, where we're going to create a cut sheets from for the section drawings. And doing the visualization. So if you want, for instance, the quantities, really easy. So go back to the civil analysis, quantities, um, whatever is attached or inside or attached to your application, it will be shown in the list. So here we've got the list. So it showing you all the feature definitions basically, so make sure they are named correctly. But even because I've turned on the utilities, it's counting the utilities for you. If you want to have a detailed list, you have to open the file and do the reporting with the flex tables. But it looks really good. So thank you for watching. Please join also the Super Thursday and see you next time. Bye bye.